Colours of Spring, Daffodil with petals pointing backwards. I'm going to pick up some nice lemon yellow here, and I'm just going to literally paint some petals pointing backwards. And then I will add a little bit of slightly richer yellow. I'm painting practically in the dark here because it's raining again. Now I'm adding quinacridone gold, and I'm going to paint in the trumpet, just thinking of the word, trumpet. So now I'm picking up some green, which I'm mixing together with the yellow. More yellow down here. And then that, and then we need a little bit of, just a little bit of greenish on the petals. And then some greenery. Maybe a bit of darker brown, darker green, if I can find it. Somewhere here, there is some dark green. And we could use something like this, put in some lines. So let us dry that and then we'll be done. Daffodil.